It is my profound honor to welcome you all to this 21st edition of Pakistan Auto Parts Show 2025.
It was a challenging experience. The scale of this show has grown quite big, and we organized this show. Enjoy yourself. We're hoping for a historic kind of an experience in the Auto Expo, and I just want to thank all our sponsors, your continued support, especially for those who've been with us through the storm. I really respect those guys.
The impressive level of innovation, quality and diversification achieved by automotive sector. The industry's growing contribution to exports is truly commendable and a source of national pride.
Looking ahead, Pak Suzuki is committed to growth and environmental sustainability.
We went from 3 major OEMs to today more than 11, with many products being launched every day. There's so many new products, I'm getting confused myself.
Ladies and gentlemen, the future of mobility has arrived. Welcome to Petrol!
This is for the very first time that 3 plug-in hybrid CKD SUVs will be unveiled.
This year marks a very special milestone for MG brand. It's not only a product, it's a lifestyle. We drive Pakistan forward together with our common philosophies in Pakistan and for Pakistan.
We believe that Capital Smart Motors is on the cusp of revolutionizing the EV landscape in Pakistan.
Let's unite around a common vision to make Pakistan a regional hub for automotive manufacturing and lift the entire ecosystem. Our shared purpose and collective resolve is what we owe to the next generation of Pakistani auto consumers.
very good evening to the Pakistan Auto Part Show Gala Night. It is my profound honor to welcome you all to this wonderful show. I would just like to extend the sincere gratitude to everyone who participated in this exhibition, which made it possible for us to execute one of the biggest trade shows in Pakistan and also the biggest Pakistan Auto Part Show since its inception. It has been a great privilege and an honor to work with such excellent engineering minds who have showcased to not just the Pakistan but to the entire world as well how they have collaborated, innovated to show that they stand on the global stage as well.
On the behalf of PAAPAM and as a Vice Chairman, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude that you all come here, participated here. I would like to give special thanks to sponsors that who support us and who trusted us, exhibitors as well who are displaying their product in this mega event.
Today we gather not just to celebrate our achievements, but to cast a bold vision for the future.
I extend my heartfelt congratulations for their tireless effort in bringing together such a vibrant mix of local and international participants. Let us reaffirm our shared vision of modern, innovative and sustainable Pakistan.